From the home page, select stop times. We will look up the route by using the route search bar. Select the drop-down menu and select the route you want. Choose between inbound or outbound based on where you are headed. Now select a stop from the drop-down menu. Then press Continue. From here, it shows a list of buses that are headed or will be headed towards that specific stop and its approximate time. Thank you for using the GNVRideRTS app.